So the first thing you want to do is to change the time frame. Currently, I have it on the 15-minute time frame, so I change it to 4 hours. And then you want to change or add the indicator exponential moving average. Just type in moving. There it is. You click it twice. You'll see it pop up here. Let's close that. So now we want to edit the settings. For the first one, you want the length to be 16, and the style you can change it to white. Increase the thickness of the line. Then you can close the box. For the second EMA, you want the length to be 55. And the color, I'll go with yellow. Increase the length or the thickness of the line as well. And this is essentially what the setup looks like. So what you're looking for is for the faster EMA, which is the white line, to cross the slower EMA, or the 55, which is the yellow line. And once it crosses, you're looking for pullbacks along that trend. So if it crosses like here going this way, then you're in an uptrend. So you're looking to go long and you're looking for buys. If it crosses down like it does here, so it's going down, you're looking for sells. So once it crosses, you wait for it to pull back towards the 16 EMA, the white line, and then you wait for it to go back up and close above the 16. So here it crosses, right? Then it pulls back, then it goes up, then it pulls back, then it goes up. So you would want to look to get in here, here. So if we zoom in a bit, you can see that it closed above the 16 on this candle, and it's a bullish, and it's the kind of bullish engulfing pattern that engulfs not only this candle but the next one as well. So it's usually a stronger signal. So if you went long, with the risk reward ratio of 1:1, that's it. You would hit your targets. Again, same thing here. It engulfs both of these. You can go long there. You would hit your target. But if you notice, let's say you tried to come in here, you would have hit a stop loss. Let's say you wanted to go in here, you would have hit your stop loss. So what you want to do is you want to try to get in maybe after the first or at most the second pullback after it crosses. So if you wait too long after the cross, then the trend might reverse on you like it does here. So once it crosses, basically you just want to try to get in as close to the crossover as possible. So here's fine, here's fine. If you wait too long, the trend reverses on you. So if we look in the other direction, you can see that there's a pullback, but you can see that it pulls back past the 55 EMA. When it does that, just leave it be, because if it closes past the 55, there's a chance that the trend could reverse on you. So if you look, let's go here, show you some examples. If you look here, you can see that over here it pulls back, but it closes past the 55 EMA. So I wouldn't touch that. This one as well, I wouldn't touch that. You want it to close in between the 16 and the 55, right? So this one, you could trade that one if you wanted to, or let's see, if we go here, yeah, you could trade that one there, that one there. This is a good one here. And that's essentially what the whole trading strategy is. It's a simple one. You aren't going to win on every single trade. Let's see if I can get a loser for you, just so you guys can see. Let's see. Okay. So let's see, these ones crosses below the 55 here, so I wouldn't touch it. Although if you took it here, you would still have made hit your targets, but if it crosses the 55 and closes past the 55, I wouldn't take it. These are all good ones you could have taken. These are all ones I would have avoided. This one I would have taken here. So that's it. You guys should go ahead, practice on your demo accounts. You can, use different entry patterns if you prefer. If the engulfing isn't something you like, you guys can use any patterns you want. Your exits could also be anything you want. It doesn't have to be a one-to-one. But that's essentially what this strategy is. And I will be back with some more strategies. Some will be a lot more complex than this. Some will be equally as simple. But the important thing is you guys go practice on your demo accounts and make it yours. So that's all for this video, and I will see you on the next one.